Alright, so special thanks to this company for sending me their waterproof phone pouch. Now these are the phone pouches that you can touch the screen underwater. So guaranteed to touch screen underwater. These are IPX8, so it's certified waterproof for up to 30 meters of depth. Hey, what's 30 meters in feet?
30 meters is 98 feet, 5.102 inches.
It's almost 100 feet. That's pretty good. Nice. And so here you can see, please read the instructions. Open the pouch, put your mobile phone in it, close the pouch, and hang on your neck. Very nice and easy. Open it on up. Must be our necklaces. And there's 2 in here, so that's nice. That's it for the box. Oh, wow, these look really good. Oh, yes, look at that. That's good. Let me take out their little phone insert and put my actual Pixel 6 Pro in here. So it's definitely a nice tight fit. Now once you have your phone in, you then close up your seal here like so, and then close each latch. Hear that click? Now your phone is in this little air pocket. Now of course it's not going to read my fingerprint. Nope, not recognized. I can say it's definitely working. Very nice. And so yeah, they just have their branding up here at the top, and I really like these connectors. I mean, these close and latch very well. And of course, you can take one of these and hook it on there to put it around your neck. These seem great, seem like they'll really protect your phone. And of course, also you'll be able to use it underneath the water due to the type of material that this uses, which is, I think, a really great bonus. I know one time I went to make a video at whitewater and I couldn't because of my phone. I couldn't take my phone out and use it underwater. I'll definitely be using these whenever we go to somewhere where I need my phone and it might get wet. All right, so we have us a nice full bathtub. Only way we can test a working iPhone in the case, and look at that. So you can see that even underwater, I'm able to, you know, select fitness, open up my fitness app, see my Apple Fitness and my summary, click continue. It definitely works, you know, underwater. And these nice little bubbles that are underneath the screen make it even easier for it to work. But that'll do it for this unboxing and showcasing of these waterproof phone pouches. Hope you guys liked the video. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.